So how do I edit my video? How do I change the background? How do I create a visual studio? So is that your question? If that's your question, welcome home, for we get you covered. Hey bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Benjamin Josiah. I want to be your friend. I want you to become my family member. Yeah. So do not skip any part of this video so we don't miss out. For everything here will go a long way to help us. Quick intro. This channel is a hub for students, content creators, social media activists, tech enthusiasts, programmer, video editor, and animator. So if you belong to any of this category, welcome home. How far? Do have a seat, for it's a new revolution. On this channel, we'll be sharing academic tips, tech updates, content creation tips, and strategies. So make sure you subscribe and type in the comments the exact word, I am part of the family. Then me and my tech team are coming to welcome you with a gift. We mean it. So make sure you are in so you don't miss out. So we don't miss out. Alright. Without much being said, let's dive into the video. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to remove background from our video to make our video pop. Is that what you want to do? Come on, let's head on to Google Play Store. Alright, so when you click on your Google Play Store, at the lower layout, click on the search icon, then search Spring, then click on this, yes, Spring. Note, Spring is an app offered by the developer of KineMaster video editing app. There are other apps like CapCut, Viz, which allow you to do this, but the issue we have is that you have to purchase their pro plan. So we'll be going with Spring since we can do this for free without breaking the bank. So we download the app right now. For me, I already have it installed on my device, so I'll just open it ASAP. So once you launch the app, click on the create new layout. Yes, then you'll be redirected to pick a video or picture from your files. No, this time you're going to pick a video or picture you want to use as your background. So we pick a video. You can pick 1, 2 or more depending on your needs and preferences. So I'm going to pick this one here. Yeah, you pick a video, you will see it appear here below, then click on the plus clip icon beneath. Then the edit workspace will pop up ASAP. So the next thing we're going to do is to find the overlay, then tap overlay. Now at this moment we are going to pick the video we want to change the background. So we click on the track mirroring icon, specifically on our overlay. That's the video you want to change the background. Then this toolbar will appear. Just click on the overlay, the video you want to change the background, then all these toolbar will appear. So we're going to scroll horizontally until you find magic remover. Please, you may use chroma key if you shoot using green screen or you shoot your video using a unimodal background. I mean a background with the same color all through. In this tutorial, I'll be using magic remover, which is applicable irrespective of the background you shoot your video. Then click on the magic remover right away. So we're going to wait patiently until the background is successfully removed. So if you choose an image background, you can trim it to the end of your video this way. Then we have this perfectly placed. All right, let's try adjust. All right, we adjust. So we're going to export our video. You can go ahead and use other edit feature to edit your visual to your preferences. Then we export. We export our video tours. All right. And that's it. And somebody is asking, how do I get the image or video for my background? So what you're going to do is to generate your video using AI, or you can just download your image or video from the internet. All right, this is just an introductory video concerning how to create a visual studio. So if you want me to create an extensive video encompassing your background, in which I'll be revealing different secrets content creators will not like you to know. So if you want me to create this, just make sure you comment the exact word studio. So if I see your interest, then I'll try work out different tools for all type of devices using your Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. So thanks for staying tuned. If you're a content creator, I'll be giving a gift, yes, that will help you a lot in your content creation journey. So to get access, make sure you subscribe, then drop the exact word "I'm part of the family" like a content. Then I and my digital team will try and reach out. So if you have any question or suggestion, or you have a better method to do this, feel free to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. I'm your friend Alifia Josiah Benjamin. Bye bye.